Previously on Rave Station Hot Wheels, we did a sick unboxing. That's right, I'm not even going to edit that out. We did a sick unboxing of this R34. Hadn't seen one in personal hands. I also detailed it a little bit. And I did a wheel swap for the first time ever. I don't know if you can see how well that is. But it was fun. I did it wrong. It doesn't look that good. But it was fun, and it was worth it. So we looked at this last time, just checking it out now. It's such a nice car. This is not actually Millennium Jade. Sometimes they get the real colors. Like this one is considered something blue, but the new casting for this one is actually Bayside blue, which is really nice. So we compared the two of these and thought they were really cool. Found out this one was lowered. And even with the wheel swap, there you can see the diamonds in the middle. Nice. Even with the wheel swap, it's still not as nice as the premium though. But so we did that last time. What is this about? Unboxing a Lamborghini? Hell yeah. I'm going to learn how to detail and learn how to do that. So when I'm old, I can like get out the magnifying glass and, you know, the hammers and try to do this like a watch, but it can be Hot Wheels. Okay, are you done looking at this? I love it. More airtime. We're going to open up one that's not in my collection. So I just found it today and I thought it was dope. You might recognize it. I did right away. Excuse me, I'm going to leave that in too. I'm not even going to add that out either. I recognized it right away, and if you see my videos, I have a sim rig, and so I love driving cars in the seat and driving with different wheels and different race cars. So, as you can see, this is from Gran Turismo. You can argue how to say that properly. But what car? It's not this R34. That is probably in there. But it's not. Oh yeah, all the wheels work. What do we got? Can you see from the light? Drum roll again. Faster, faster, faster. Faster, faster, everybody. What is this? LP620 Super Trofeno. Are you excited to see this? The only other good one in this, they're not even showing it. I'm just realizing this is his own car and it's not in the series. For example, I opened up a Ferrari GTO. Yeah, I did. And it was, you know, number 5 of 4. Blah, 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 blah. This one, I thought maybe there's a Gran Turismo series or a video game series or a, you know, Lamborghini series or an exotic, whatever. This just says Lamborghini and it just says Gran Turismo. That's it. So, this is obviously the car, just like the Forza cars. I'm really excited to see this because I was just talking about my sim rigs, because this is one of my favorite cars to drive, and I've spent a lot of time behind the wheel of this car. Damn. This is the LP620. The Liberty Walk casting, I have it. It is the 720, the Mad Mike drift version. I'm not opening that. Like I said, this is the 620. And in the main line, this may or may not have hit the tub once or twice. Main line, this is the, oh shoot, I just forgot. 610. Okay, now I'm confused because I just said what? This bad boy is the 610. Yeah, there's some body damage on that one. Basic Huracan car. Huracan, right? Huracan. And this is between the two. 620. God dang, look at that gold fleck, hey? Oh. That's so sick. Let's see if we can see the similarities. I'd say okay. To the side. Definitely got that same window. Definitely have that same front profile. They do have that same back rear there. Okay. Mainline's pretty good considering though, hey? This is a non-Liberty walk. It's just their... Nice. It's just a red Huracan 610. Usually those are green that we see everywhere around here. This is the race car, 620. So sick. There we go. I also have something secret. Not secret anymore. What the? This is an off-road Lamborghini. That's right, that's a Huracan. Just like this is a 610. This doesn't say which one, it just says it's a Serato. But you can see on this one, oh maybe I'll show on this, so because these are actually more similar. The one on the right has fog lights. You can kind of see the front. That's way too close, right? But you can see the black on this orange one is actually a fender. See that by any chance? But those are fenders. It's much higher off the ground. And it is actually for off-road. I've seen this thing take jumps. So there we go. There's our Lamborghinis for right now. The new one today, 620 from Gran Turismo. I think I'm gonna see if I can go sit and play it right now. Again, we just unboxed this bad boy. Beautiful. Nice and heavy. Beauty, beauty, beauty. Have a good one. Next unboxing.